Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's car clean out deco with me, and this is my Hummer. Make sure you like and subscribe to see more. I thought I would show you what it looks like now. There's bird turb and everything, and let me show you the back. I got a bunch of stuff in the back I got to clean out and go through and do all that. And then the back seat, this is the driver's side, and it's an 03, I think, 06 vehicle. And there's some stuff that needs to get done. My husband has to fix that. We've glued it on, I don't know how many times. He's got to do some other kind of stuff to it. But inside here, here's what it looks like. Ariel's got some stuff back here. Definitely need to vacuum big time. It's not as bad as what my car was because I don't use this very often. Mostly, see this bottom, and my seat's ripped. I've got seat covers that he's going to put on there, and here is, I can't see the inside of it. I've got a bag of trash already that I've took out, and it's probably, I don't think there's any more trash now. I'm just ready to clean it. And the windshield's horrible. The sunroof I haven't looked at yet, but I'm gonna have to clean that with the sprayer outside. But it's all dingy and gross and all that stuff. So let me show you the front of it. Here's my driver's side. My windshield's filthy. Everything's filthy, dirty. The front. So this is my project for today. I think I'll probably take me most of the afternoon to do, but I'm gonna vacuum it first, which is probably a mistake. I should wash the windows and stuff first. But there's all of that, and then the other side. So there we go. There's the start, guys, and I will be back. I've already got the vacuum out, and let me show you in the garage here. I've got some cleaning stuff up here that I used before. I'm not going to use I'll use this. This is from Dollar Tree, my vinyl cleaner. But the pink shampoo stuff I'm not going to use. It's old. It needs to be thrown away. I got some upholstery cleaner, protectant, Windex. I hate Windex. I've got other glass cleaner I'm going to use. So that is all of that, and I'll use my brushes and stuff like I did before. And so once I get it vacuumed out and all of that, I will be back to show you what it looks like, and we'll go from there. Yeah. It is vacuumed. It looks brand new again, and I've wiped out up here. I just got to armor all it, and I still have to clean up some of my stuff. I finally got the steering wheel cover off. Holy cow, it just started falling apart when I tried to take it off so I can put my new one on. But it looks kind of wet because I just finished washing. And there's the back, all nice and cleaned out. And I just got to put the seats back up, but I'm not going to do that until I put some of my stuff in there. And then I'll wipe out this area right here just with a rag because it's just dusty. And then I'll wash the windshield and the windows, and that's about it. So that's what it looks like now. The rugs look brand new. Everything looks good, so you can see. And it's hard to get inside these little corners right here. I tried my best to get them out, and I kind of cleaned the pedals a little bit because they were kind of grody. But for now, it is cleaned out. I need to fix my seat. I need to go find some duct tape because hubby's not ready to put, I've got the bottom part right here to him put on, but he might get to it sometime this summer. I have them. They are outside in that mess somewhere. But in the meantime, I'm just, so that doesn't get ruined anymore, I'm gonna duct tape it, and that way it won't break apart and stuff and all of that. So there we go. And I will take a picture, or I'll be back as soon as I armor all everything, get it all nice and shiny. So I will be back. Guys, it's all wiped down. The carpet's clean. I got my bucket of stuff right here that I'm going to put in here. I got the glass cleaner right there because I still got to try to get the windows done. Let me show you the back. Here's the back. It's all clean. All looks really good. So that's all done. And here's the back. Those things that are on that seat are, I have to hand pick those off. The vacuum's not getting it up. But that's where my third seat goes that I don't use because I use this as the trunk. So there's that. So it looks pretty good other than right there. I tried to get all that off and it just, I'm gonna have to hand do it, and I'm not doing that today. Maybe when we get back from camping. And all the stuff up here is like oil. This is my toolbox. This has all my stuff for the toolbox. And I have some antifreeze right there and a couple extra bags. So then over here is the other side. Looks good. I gotta put the mats in. It's all ready to go. This will be trashed again when we go camping. Actually, it won't be that bad. It'll be mostly dirt and trash, you know. So I did get the steering wheel cover off. And now to put the new one on and get things where I need it to be. So once I'm done with that, I'll be back. Okay guys, we are done. I got the steering wheel on. And, whoops. Sorry about that. It's all dusted. I got the carpets back in. That one's still kind of grimy, but the mats I've got to take to the car wash and clean them. That's what I'm gonna have to do. I've got my sun visor there. I've got that one on. It's still kind of wet, but nobody's gonna sit in here. So this is what the front top looks like. And I put my duster, a couple masks inside my center console right there. Let me show you. The back. Ariel hung up her stuff because we're getting ready to go camping for a week. So she put her hanging things back in here. I put the car charger right there so she can use it. There's a double one so her and Emma both can charge their phones. I put the carpet mats back in there. I put that little cup thing there, has sanitizer and some trash bags in it. So we'll end up, when they're traveling, they put their drinks there and stuff. But I made a little caddy for them with stuff in it, so I'm not quite sure how they're gonna do all that. So let's show you the back. Okay, I put my tarp down. I've got that stuff over there. I put my bucket of straps back in. My little caddy to put stuff in. So that's all in here in the back. And so that is all set. And this is what this side looks like. It is done. I still have to find my duct tape to do this. And I'll probably do that this week because I'm tired. I've been doing this all day. So it's all clean. I put the phone thing up that I made. My glass holder is up there. There's my steering wheel. What a pain to put on. Hubby had to help me. I put my little bling by the key and one right there. So that is all done. So it's all set. We're good for another year, I hope. No, I will dust it and keep it clean, but I usually do this in the spring, and then we'll do it again in the fall and just try to keep it clean. I did put my little trash can right there, so when Ariel's in here, she can put her trash in there. When we're traveling, I'll probably put it in the back seat for them. We always keep a trash can when we're traveling because they make a ton of trash. So that's about it, guys. That's everything. We are done. So both cars are done. Both my vehicles are done. I just have to vacuum the good car in his truck, and that's about it. So thanks for watching, guys, for my little car clean outs and all of that, and for my Hummer. I appreciate you watching. Thanks, and we will see you again. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. We'll talk to y'all again soon.